Hey guys, if you have mice getting into your house like we did for the first few months when we lived in the house, here's a little tip. You can go to Lowe's or Menards or any of those stores and you can buy this foam spray. And I use it, what I would call liberally. And I let that expand just like that. And I run it all the way up and down the seams. I run it underneath here, you can kind of see. Get the ice skate out of the way, just like that. And that's kept them out. And that foam, you could cut it off like I did here, just for cosmetic reasons. But I just left that there because you can't see that unless you get real down low under the bench. So let me know if you have any questions. I don't remember what the foam is called, but it does keep the mice out. Thank you.